What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Janelle and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing something really exciting and kind of nerve-wracking, but I think it's going to be really fun and I'm excited. I'm going to be waxing my own underarms after not touching them for 11 weeks. It's gonna be an adventure. I've never done this before and I hope you enjoy it. I bought this kit on Amazon for $22.22. Okay? Where I was getting my waxes done before, an underarm wax was $23. So I saw this on Amazon and I was like, I'm just gonna buy it and try it out, and if it works, great, and if it doesn't work, then I've never done my own wax before. I mean, I feel pretty confident trying it out just because I had been getting wax done, so I kind of like know how it goes, but I'm a little scared too. So this is, I hadn't opened this box, I just opened it. Here's the sticker, so I'm opening it with you guys, okay? So this is called the Lansley Beauty Lies Within Professional Wax Hair Removal Kit. Okay. And so you open it up and, oh, there's a little card. Cute. It would mean the world to us if you are happy and left an honest Amazon product review. We'd love to hear what you have to think about our hard wax. Oh, we're making a video, honey. Okay, so you open it up and the machine is in here. Oh, here's the machine. Okay. There's a lot of bags. Oh, there's so many bags. Oh, it's so cute. It's my favorite cup. Okay, so here's the lid. Okay. Oh, it comes in a few. Oh, okay. So it looks like here's the machine. So like this part will warm up. You plug it in, obviously. It turns up and it has like the actual degrees of what it will turn up to. So it starts at 160 to 240 Fahrenheit. But it also comes with this little bowl. So this is what's gonna warm up, and this is gonna be where you put the wax in. And it also has like this little drip thing in it that you can maybe like, I don't know. I'm just making things up now. Okay. And the lid. Cool. Okay, but then the kit also comes with, oh, there's instructions. Maybe I should read the instructions. Okay, instructions. I'll read this later. So what also comes in the kit is 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of hard wax beans. 4 bags, that's crazy. These are $12 each on Amazon to buy like the refills. $12, and I got 4 of them in this kit. Oh, incredible. Okay, and then I also have different size sticks. So there's baby sticks, and then there's medium sticks, and then there's large sticks. So this will be just used for the different areas. I also have after wipes. Oh, this is smart because I actually picked up this Clean and Easy Calm Azoline oil for after, because I didn't realize that the kit had after wipes. So now I have both of these. Cool. And then this also has some protective covers to go on the machine so you don't get wax everywhere. These just like go right here. I have all my things. I'm gonna read these instructions and then we'll go from there, okay? I probably shouldn't throw things. So now, the moment you've all been waiting for, I'm gonna change. Be right back to show you my underarms of 11 weeks. They're a sight, honey. I'd say they're beautiful. I grew some beautiful underarm hair, let me tell you. As you can tell, I've changed and I am now in my bathroom. Let me just show you my underarms. So this is what 11 weeks of no hair removal looks like on your girl. I kind of like them. I don't know. I might miss it, but... Okay, so I just put the beads in the warmer, and it says it takes 15 to 30 minutes for it to warm up, so I'm just kind of waiting. But I'm kind of nervous. I've never done this before, but it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna be great, so. Here's a check-in, just a check-in of the pits. Ooh, cute. What I'm gonna do first is just apply some baby powder. Oh, what? I've never done this before, so you can tell. Okay, so the baby powder just dries up the area and also gives the wax a little something to grab onto. And I think the wax is just about ready, so we're gonna go for it. Okay guys, so the wax is ready. Want to apply it in the same direction that the hair grows, that way you can rip it in the opposite direction. Let's give it a whirl. I think I got it all covered. I hope you were able to see me do that because there's no going back now. And I just have to let it dry. I'm gonna be such a sissy trying to rip this. I can already tell. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh Jesus, Lord have mercy. We're good, we're good, it's fine. And I saw this trick. We can use the bottom of this to kind of rip up the first part. Some people like use a stick, but I wanted to rip it with my hand. My nose is already running. Ugh. Okay. We're past the point of no return, so. Ugh. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm gonna breathe in and breathe out and rip. Oh! No, 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 no. I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't do it. I'm such a sissy. Oh my god. This wax is gonna have to stay on my armpit forever. I can't rip this. Janelle, get it together. Breathe in, breathe out, rip. Oh my god. Oh, my hair. Okay. Last tug. Oh, guys. Oh my god, I did it myself. I'm so proud of me. You see a little bit of blood. That's called pinpoint bleeding. That's actually good. When you get a wax, it means that the hair was removed from the root. So I'm gonna show you this. It's ugly. Guys, this is kind of disgusting. Can you see? Oh, you can kind of see. This is incredible. This is so cool. You can literally see the skin and the, I can't believe that's really real. I'm amazed. Okay, I did it. There's still some hairs, so you just go back in with another little strip to get the rest of that. But holy man, I did it. I'm a pro. Hire me. Don't hire me. Hire a professional. I feel like for my first go at this though, that was pretty good. I give it 7.5 out of 10. Okay, second go just to get the little stragglers. What's up, guys? I can't believe I did that. I almost cried. Ugh, I still got a whole other arm to do. Okay, but this was the coolest thing I've ever seen. Like, when I got my wax done before, I never saw the wax strips. So cool. In a really gross way. Wow. Look at that arm. She's as smooth as a baby's bottom. Are you kidding me? Look at her. Ooh. Okay, this one's another story though. Can I be done? Is this a new fashion? No? Oh, okay. Well. Here goes. If you're an esthetician and you're watching this, I'm sorry. Use this little trick again to pull up the bottom part. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I just had a slight panic, maybe 3 times, but we're doing fine. Yeah, it's fun. Okay, I think she's ready. Breathe out, breathe, wait, what? Breathe in, and breathe out and rip at the same time. That's all I have to do. Breathe in, and breathe out and rip. Okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. Ow, I was checking out. Oh, I'm mad at myself. Oh, she hurt. Oh. I did a lot that time though. Rip it, Janelle, just rip it. Oh, I chicken out so bad. Why do I chicken out? Ooh, it hurts. That's why I'm chickening out. It hurts. But I can do it. 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 Rip it. You can do it, Janelle. Rip it. Rip it. You can do it. Okay. I can do it. I did it. I did it. Can you see? You can't really tell on this one either. Look at that. Ew. That's amazing. Like, actually, so cool. The hairs from the root. This one, unfortunately, has quite a bit of hair still left over, but again, some of that pinpoint bleeding. My girl Chelsea says that's good. Means that the hair was ripped right from the root, so. And she's clear. Oh, girl! I did it! Wow. So, 11 weeks of hair growth gone just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this Azaline oil from Clean and Easy. It says it helps calm and soothe reddened skin associated with waxing while promoting softer, healthier skin. Use Azaline oil after waxing to remove any wax residue as well. Voila. Wow. So it's been an adventure that we just went on. I have my smooth armpits back. I feel like I'm gonna miss my little hair buddies, but this was fun. So fun. Wow. The results of this at-home wax are pretty good. definitely something manageable for me to do on my own. So I'm glad I tried it out, and I'm looking forward to doing this from home now, saving some money and getting rid of my unwanted body hairs. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and comment below any tips or tricks you have for your at-home waxing. I'd love to read them, incorporate them into my new routine. And don't forget to subscribe too so you can follow along with more crazy antics from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'm not going to apologize for my crazy antics, but I will apologize for the cringy faces that I made throughout this whole video.